you been wondering how to use basil essential oil? Well, today you'll find out why basil is an unsung hero among essential oils. Hi, I'm Lori Funderburk, an essential oil user and educator. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. I'm excited to give you the chance to grab my free Essential Oils Made Easy guide. All you got to do is click the description below to find that link. Now back to basil. Basil is known for enhancing the taste of food from different cuisines all across the world. And we've all used it in our kitchen, right? Just like the fresh or dried herb, basil essential oil can add a fresh herbal flavor to meats, pasta, and sauces. But the uses of basil go way beyond the kitchen. If you're feeling tired all the time and just can't seem to get your energy back, apply essential oil under the nose, to the bottoms of the feet, to the back of the neck, and all over the adrenal area. Does your child have ear discomfort? You know, the kind that causes a lot of crying? Apply basil essential oil behind and down the ear area. You won't believe the difference. During the pandemic, a lot of people lost their sense of smell. Apply basil essential oil under the nose and to the toes to support a healthy sense of smell. Do you have monthly issues, whether it's PMS or cramps or whatever comes with your monthly issues? Apply basil to the lower abdomen and see if you don't feel the difference. Did you know that basil also repels insects? Diffuse it or spray diluted in water. And you can also apply it to the insect bites to ease them. Basil essential oil really is an unsung hero and can be used topically, aromatically, and internally. It's just one more way for you to take control of your family's health naturally. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.